Very good morning, children. How do you do? Fine? Good. So be healthy and safe at home, okay? So this is your chapter 3, lesson 3, the wisdom in carrots, okay? The wisdom in carrots. So what is the meaning of wisdom? मैंने पहले ही बोला था wisdom का अर्थ. What is the meaning of wisdom? Do you remember? Knowledge, intelligence, okay? Yeah. So in carrots, knowledge in carrots, he has said something. Who just said no? Do you remember the story? Who just said? So he explained how we get wisdom. How can we find wisdom? So we can't search wisdom. We can't find wisdom. Through learning, through constant learning only, we can get wisdom. बोला था ना? Yeah. So this is your notebook, ma. Okay, so this is your notebook. So it is very easy. Okay, once you understand, it is very easy. So please go through the videos. Video आपको देखना है. Watch the video. Okay. तो I will explain you how to write in note also. Class work note, CW note में कैसा लिखना है वो भी मैं बोलूँगी, ठीक है. And सी लेसन 1 मैंने भेजा था ना, PDF भी मैंने भेजा था लेसन 1 का, एंड वीडियो भी मैंने भेजा था. सो इन दैट it is clearly said how to write because it was not in typed format. वो typed format में नहीं था, है ना. तो I have written in a in a note itself. I have written with a black pen and blue pen. Then I have sent you, taking the photo clips and video. I have sent you because it was the very first lesson. इसीलिए मैंने टाइप फॉर्मेट नहीं किया था. आई हैव रिटन इन ब्लैक पेन एंड ब्लू पेन एंड आई हैव सेंड यू. तो इफ़ यू हैव एनी डाउट इन दैट, सो प्लीज़ गो थ्रू लेसन 1. डाउट है मतलब मैम हाउ टू राइट, मुझे नहीं मालूम है, आई एम कन्फ्यूज, मतलब जस्ट वॉच लेसन 1 का वीडियो देखो, ठीक है. तो इट विल बी वेरी इजी. एंड इन ऑनलाइन सेशन ऑल्सो यू कैन आस्क मी. So whenever in online session I ask you, if you have any doubt, you are not at all opening your mouth. Your response is just no ma'am, no ma'am, no ma'am. And that is not good, no? So read the book. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the online class. Writing part also, reading part also, exercise part also, whatever it is. Got it? Yeah, so see, first in your note, long size note, single line note, top margin is there, no? Red color margin, top margin, 2-line margin. तो वहाँ you touch the red line margin and write lesson 3. Okay, so down to that write the wisdom in carrots. Got it? तो ये आपको blue में लिखना है, blue pen में लिखना है. Then here right side corner date will be given, no? You have to write date. When you are writing that डे डेट आपको लिखना है. आज मतलब टुडेज डेट, कल मतलब टुमारोज डेट, yesterday also yesterday's date. When you are starting to write that day, that date, dates you have to write. Okay, yeah. Then see here, first division, new words. This also you can write in blue, but if you wish to write in black you can write, lekin it will be better if you write questions alone in black. It will be neat for looking, ठीक. So see, new words. First let me pronounces and pronouns, understand it. Okay, it is very easy. See, stunned. What is this? Stunned. Stunned matlab very surprised. Okay, very surprised. We will see the new words of its meanings. We will see down. ठीक है. तो this is stunned. Very surprised. Surprise का meaning पहले ही मैंने बोला था. In last lesson itself I have said you. Do you remember? So in a birthday party, if you didn't expect anything, लेकिन your parents or your relations, anyone or your friend, they are giving you a big good prize which you like the most, they are presenting you, it will be very surprise for you, no? You will admire it. You will be very surprised because you didn't think that they will present you, but they presented you. So how it will be? Surprise, happy. Okay, yeah. Stunned matlab surprise. Next one, thundered. Okay, thundered भी मैंने बोला था while taking the class. While raining, thunder, a huge sound, a big sound will come in the sky. No, what is that? Thunder. Pada 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 sound will come. No, yeah, that is called thunder. So here huge sound, noise, big noise, आवाज. Okay. Imprisoned. What is this? Imprisoned. Imprisoned. Imprisoned मतलब जेल. मैंने बोला था ना. सो पुट इन जेल और पुट इन प्रिजन. आपको जेल मालूम है ना. नेक्स्ट, इंसल्ट. व्हाट इज दिस? इंसल्ट. इंसल्ट मतलब so behaving in a hard manner, behaving in a what, hard manner, rude manner. Rude manner. So if you say something or if you do something behaving in a bad manner, without in a soft manner, so we can handle things in a soft manner also, slowly, calmly, patiently also we can handle. लेकिन वैसा not doing like that, behaving in a rude manner, bad manner, harsh manner, scolding. Okay, that is called as insult. Okay, yes. Next is curiously. Curiously. So curious already मैंने बोला था. What is meaning of curious? Eagerness. Excuse me. Interest. क्यूरियस मतलब इंटरेस्ट, ईगरनेस. ठीक है, इसीलिए मैंने बोला था आपको डिक्शनरी देखने के लिए. सी द वर्ड हियर गिवन अस क्यूरियसली, है ना. इंग्लिश में इट इज़ गिवन इन इंग्लिश. एंड अभी मैंने 2 वर्ड्स इंग्लिश में बोला था ना. आई डिडंट यूज हिंदी वर्ड, लेकिन क्या 2 इंग्लिश वर्ड मैंने बोला था. तो इफ़ यू ऑल्सो रेफर द डिक्शनरी यू कैन ऑल्सो अंडरस्टैंड, you will also learn it ऐसा. see, curious, interest, eager, है ना. हाँ, तो the meaning is interest also it is correct, eager also correct. interest आपको मालूम है ना. if you have interest you can study, if you have interest you can learn, if you have interest you can write neatly. interest होना चाहिए बोलते हैं ना. या so interest. curiously मतलब interest, eager. हार्वेस्टिंग. हार्वेस्टिंग मैंने बोला था ना. इन एग्रीकल्चर फील्ड द क्रॉप्स दे आर हार्वेस्टिंग. ओके, व्हेन अबाउट दिस कैरेट, व्हेन होजा सेड अ स्टोरी अबाउट कैरेट he said no that carrot should be harvested in a correct time. So good farmers can only do that, experienced farmers can only do that. if the crops are left in the ground for a long time it will be wasted, it will be spoiled. बोला था ना. या तो harvesting. okay, next is constant. constant क्या बोला? do you remember? in new words में मैंने पढ़ाया था ना. constant. continuously. what constant? some other word also I have said. what is that? constant क्या बोला? constant learning. क्या बोला? constant learning. okay, constant learning. constant learning मतलब continuous learning. so yes ma'am, you have said to learn English. so I am learning English, you will say like this and you will try 2 days or 4 days, then that's all, you will just drop it मतलब you will leave it, you won't continue. वो continuous नहीं है, वो constant नहीं है. continuous मतलब constant मतलब 1 week, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, 4 month continuous करना है, continue करना है. okay, process should be in a continuous state. okay, in a constant state. 3 months or 4 months you try to watch the videos and read the book and use of dictionary. do this for 3 months, automatically you will have the interest in English, है ना. try ट्राई करना है. विदाउट ट्राइंग मैम, मुझे नहीं मालूम है मैम, मुझे नहीं आता है मतलब क्या, हाउ. सो इट इज़ नॉट गुड. तो आपको ट्राई करना है. ओके, या गुड. आई होप यू विल ट्राई. यस, नो, गुड. So this is our new words. Very easy, no? Very very easy. Yes. So second division. See, एक minute. So when you are writing this new words, no, first write first division new words. Leave one line and write this. So here after one also you have to leave one line. Then write second one. Then leave one line and write third one. Without leaving line you should not write. It won't be neat. ठीक है, तो आपको line छोड़ना है. After one word you have to leave one line. छोड़ना है, line छोड़ना है. Okay. Then leave two lines. Okay, after finishing this division आपको two lines छोड़ना है. Leave two lines and then start second division, new words and its meanings. ठीक है. See, then leave one line and start first one. बोला था ना, stunned. क्या है stunned? मतलब very surprised. Very surprised. Thundered मतलब shouted very loudly. बोला था ना, huge sound. चिल्लाना. ठीक है, यहाँ given no, shouted. Okay, shouted very loudly. Imprisoned. jail बोला था ना, put someone in prison or jail. Put someone in prison or jail. Okay. Insult. See, rude. बोला था ना, in a bad manner, in a hard manner, in a harsh way. Okay, in a bad way, harsh way, in a rude way. Saying something or doing something. See, say or do something. Say or do something rude. Okay, rude. Curious. अभी मैंने बोला था ना, eager और interest. To know or learn something. See, learn करने के लिए eager. learn करने का eager और interest. Okay, easy है ना? तो it is very easy and simple. एक mistake हो गया. This is 5. This is not 3. You just change this, ma, students. So kindly change this. This is 5. ठीक है. हाँ, तो again you have to leave 2 lines. Then start third division. Answer in short. How many? Only 5 short answers are there. ठीक है. Answer in short only 5. So it is very very easy. See, what country had Hoja visited? Which country? What country he went? Let us see. Hoja had been on a visit to India. ठीक है. Hoja had been on a visit to India. What country had Hoja visited? So, ma'am, this verbs all, it is confusing us. We can't write like this. मतलब Hoja visited India. Ma'am, very easy we want. This much we can't learn in exam. If you say like this, you can write like this also. Hoja visited India. Very easy. Simple, no? Yeah. So where did he go? Which country he visited? India. Okay. Yeah. So leave one line. Okay. Leave one line. Then start second one. Why did Hoja's mother give him a paper with carrots written on it? हाँ, होजा का मदर एक पेपर उन्होंने दिया ना, कैरेट लिखा था. तो वाई, क्यों ऐसा दिया? सी, होजा वॉज अ फॉरगेटफुल person. Okay, Hoja was a forgetful person. His mother wanted him to remember to buy carrots on the way home. So she wrote down the word on the piece of paper. Very simple and easy. मैंने बोला था ना, he will forget everything. He won't keep anything in his remembrance, in his memory. Memory, remember. In new words we have seen in the book. Do you remember? याद है क्या? Remember, memory हमने देखा ना न्यू वर्ड्स में. या तो he won't keep in memory anything, he won't remember, he will forget. So उसका मम्मी ने in paper she have written and given carrots. Why? To buy carrots from the way home, while coming to home, in the roadside, okay, in the street they will be selling no carrots. Yeah, there will be shops, no. So to buy carrots from there, mummy wrote on a paper carrots. His mummy wrote. Do you remember story? Do you remember the story? Yes. See, Hoja was a forgetful person. His mother wanted him to remember. याद में रखना, ठीक है, इसलिए remember. To buy carrots. What to keep in memory? Carrots. On the way home, while he is coming to home, there will be shop, there will be carrots. So his mother wrote in a paper carrots. To buy carrots, she wrote carrots in a paper. So she wrote down the word on a piece of paper. ठीक है, तो आपको यहाँ whenever y comes now in a question, whenever y comes in a question, we will use because or else we will use so. तो यहाँ हमने so use किया. ओके, या दैट इज अ रूल है, so यूज करना है, और या नहीं तो क्या बिकॉज यूज करना है. ठीक, तो यहाँ हमने बिकॉज यूज किया. सी बिकॉज सो यहाँ हमने सो यूज किया. सो शी रोट डाउन द वर्ड ऑन अ पीस ऑफ पेपर. ओके, सो वेरी सिंपल. सी, only two lines are there, two sentences are there, so it is very easy. At least 2 times if you read, you can understand. So again, once if you read, you can memorize it, you can keep in memory. Okay, so that much it is easy. So two question answer also, if you read daily, it will be very good, it will be easy for you. Okay, third one. So leave 2 lines and then start third question. ठीक, how had Hoja failed the king? Do you agree? See, होजा ने किंग को फेल किया, क्या चीट किया? नहीं. तो विल यू अग्री दैट? सी, लेट अस सी व्हाट इज द आंसर. द किंग क्लाइम्ड दैट होजा हैड फेल्ड हिम बाय नॉट बीइंग एबल टू फाइंड ट्रू विजडम ऑन हिज ट्रेवल्स. नो, आई डू नॉट अग्री. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन का आंसर है. सी, यहाँ है ना, again one question is given, no, so for that this answer. No, I do not agree because, as Hoja explains later, wisdom is learnt not found. मैंने बोला था ना, wisdom we can learn, we can't find it, we can't search that. ठीक, so see, the king claimed that Hoja had failed him by not being able to find true wisdom on his travel. फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ इन लेसन मैंने क्या बोला था? सो ही वेंट टू विजिट इंडिया. हु, ही मतलब हु, कौन याद है? होजा. हाँ, होजा वेंट टू विजिट इंडिया फॉर व्हाट पर्पस? क्यों? से द आंसर. फर्स्ट लेसन अब मैंने पढ़ाया था ना. सो रिमेंबर, आपको याद में रखना है, ठीक है, सो दैट वाइल लर्निंग दिस क्वेश्चन आंसर इट विल बी इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड. इफ वंस इट इज इजी टू अंडरस्टैंड, यू कैन कीप इन मेमोरी, इसलिए बोल रही हूँ. ठीक, या तो सी, होजा वेंट टू इंडिया टू विजिट इंडिया. ओके, फॉर व्हाट पर्पस टू विजिट इंडिया? टू फाइंड, टू नो द नॉलेज, टू लर्न द नॉलेज. ठीक है, टू गेन द नॉलेज, ऐसा भी बोल सकते, to gain the knowledge. Okay, you just at least hear some new words, vocabularies, hear it, so that later, no, after 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, it will be easy for you and you will also try to speak it. That's why this much English words मैं बोल रही हूँ. ठीक, so first time, no, पहली बार आपको little difficult होगा, I can understand, लेकिन 2 months 3 months later no, afterwards it will be easy for you. Okay, so what happened? To gain knowledge, to gain intelligent, to learn knowledge, होजा वेंट टू इंडिया बोला था ना. सो वो जर्नी है ना, वो ट्रैवल है ना. हाँ, तो यहाँ दिस किंग सेइंग, उन्होंने, किसने, ये होजा ने फेल किया. ही चीटेड द किंग बिकॉज ही डिडंट फाइंड ट्रू विस्डम. He didn't find true wisdom on his travel. Okay, can we find it? Can we search it? We can't find it. We can't search it. मैंने बोला था ना. See, so do you agree? Do you accept? See, no. So after yes, after no, आपको comma you have to write comma. मैंने बोला था ना, while taking a book exercise, textual exercise, grammar exercise, while taking, I have said you. After no, after yes, आपको comma, you have to write comma. See, comma. Okay, no, comma, I do not agree. मैं agree नहीं करूँगी. See, I do not agree because as होजा explains later. क्यों? Afterwards, later he explain करेंगे. See, he did explain करेंगे नहीं, he did explain. What he explained? See, wisdom is learned. Learn करना है. Wisdom learn करना है. Not found. We can't found it. Found is past tense of find. ठीक है? We can't find it. We can't found it. So, wisdom हमको learn करना है. तो कैसे learn करना है? मैंने बोला था ना, constant learning. Continuously learn करना है. 1 week learning and then we won't consider, we just leave it, we just drop it. ऐसा नहीं करना है. Continuous lifelong learn करना है. Okay, easy ना. See, the king climbed that. Climbed मतलब बोला था. He said, yeah, it is your wrong, your mistake. ऐसे we are blaming someone no, we are scolding someone no, so we use climbed. ठीक है. The king climbed that Hoja had failed him by not being able to find true wisdom on his travels. No, I do not agree because as Hoja explains later, wisdom is learned, not found. Right? Easy no? Yes. So don't think it is hard, it is difficult. If you think it is hard and difficult, matlab you can't learn it. Just think it is easy, you can learn it. Okay. How did Hoja forget to take, what did Hoja forget to take home? Yeah, what he forgot? क्या उसने भूला था? What is that? He forgot na? Very easy. See, only one word. Carrots. See, Hoja forgot to take home the carrots that his mother had asked for. His mother, Mama ने पूछा था ना, what she asked? Carrots. See, Hoja forgot to take the carrots. So from question you can write. See, Hoja forgot to take home the carrots. So from here you have to learn the carrots that his mother had asked for. Easy no? Very simple. लेकिन 2 times 3 times you want to read so that you can keep in memory easily. ठीक? Nothing will come by reading one time. मुझे भी, even for me it won't come. If I read one time, when I was studying, so I should also study 2 times 3 times, तब भी आएगा. Okay, ma'am, one time I read, ma'am, one time I watched the video, ma'am, I don't remember, मुझे नहीं मालूम है, मुझे नहीं पता है, मतलब ना. So आपको 2 times 3 times आपको watch करना है, आपको पढ़ना है, then only it will come. Right? Again see, while writing in note, leave 1 line. ठीक है, यहाँ 1 line छोड़ना है, leave 1 line and again start 5th one. What kind of man was Hoja? व्हाट काइंड ऑफ मैन? फर्स्ट लाइन इटसेल्फ मैंने बोला था ना, क्या इन फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ मैंने बोला था, डू यू रिमेंबर? सी, होजा वॉज अ मैन ऑफ forgetful, ठीक है, forgetful by nature. He will forget everything. He won't keep in memory. He won't remember. He will forget. See, Hoja was a man of forgetful by nature. Single line only. It is very easy. Okay. Understood? Yes, good. So, see, one division has finished. So, after one division, मैंने क्या बोला? 2 lines you have to leave, right? So, then starts fourth division. Answer and long. ये answer and long है. See, only 2 questions are there. So, it is very simple and easy. See, first you should understand meaning. आपको understand करना है. And words pronunciation आपको मालूम होना चाहिए. Then if you read 2 times, 3 times, surely you can keep in your memory. Okay? See, first one. How do carrots help Hoja teach the quote about true wisdom? Yeah. So he used carrots now to explain about the wisdom. मैंने बोला था. Yes. तो how? कैसे? See. तो क्वेश्चन आपको ब्लैक में लिखना है. ओके, यू नो दिस नो. क्वेश्चन आपको ब्लैक में लिखना है, आंसर आपको ब्लू में लिखना है. ओके, सी आंसर. होजा uses carrots to explain to the court how true wisdom can be learned. He says that true wisdom is like a carrot crop. Okay, so true wisdom is like a carrot crop. It is hidden in places that only experienced people know to look in. Okay, and just like the crop would begin to waste away if left untouched for too long. Wisdom would fade if not sought at the right time. Some words you will feel difficult because first time you are reading now, so you will feel difficult. लेकिन 2 times 3 times if you read and you will be familiar. Okay, you will be good at this. So don't feel ma'am reading one time it is difficult. नहीं बोलना है. It is very easy. Now we are in 5th standard now, so you should write long answer at least in 3 lines. Okay, so see मैंने बिग नहीं की, वेरी बिग आई डिडंट गिव, ओनली 3 lines 4 lines मैंने यहाँ दिया. तो नेक्स्ट ईयर 6th में जाएंगे, इट विल बी वेरी बिग. तो एटलीस्ट 3 lines 4 lines आपको यहाँ पढ़ना है ना. हाँ, इसलिए मैंने दिया, बट वेरी इजी. सी, आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू one सेंटेंस. होजा यूजेस कैरेट्स टू एक्सप्लेन टू द कोर्ट. ठीक है, कोर्ट में कैरेट यूज किया एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए अबाउट विजडम. See, let us see how true wisdom can be learnt. ठीक है, how true wisdom can be learnt. How we can learn true wisdom, true knowledge, true intelligence. How we can learn. For saying this, Hoja used carrots. Example, किसका example? क्या example उसने दिया? Carrots का example दिया. See, let us see how. He says that true wisdom is like a carrot crop. क्या बोला? True wisdom is like a carrot crop. Okay, it is hidden. Hidden मतलब hide and seek you will play, no? Hide, hidden. Okay, hide. So यहाँ it is in a past tense, इसलिए hidden. It is hidden in a places that only experienced people know to look in. ठीक है, यहाँ दिया है ना, experienced people मतलब कौन? Farmers. Okay, farmers can only know the crops, carrot crops, that can we harvest the carrot crop or after 1 week or after 1 month, when to harvest, who knows? हमको मालूम है क्या? ना, कैसे हमको मालूम होगा? तो only farmers will know. That too क्या given? See, experienced people, experienced farmer will only know how to look in. Okay, look in मतलब how to, when to get that crop, when to harvest the crop. Farmers will only know. Experienced farmers, experienced people को मालूम है, हमको नहीं मालूम है. So like that, wisdom is also, see, and just like the crop would began to waste away if left untouched for too long. ठीक है, so the same thing, experienced people only know how to, when, कब, okay, when to harvest. Experienced people को मालूम है. तो if we didn't begin, okay, that crop, if we didn't harvest मतलब it will waste away. Listen, it will waste away if left untouched for long time. Untouched मतलब if we didn't touch it. Touch मतलब like this, touch मैंने नहीं बोला. See the inner meaning आपको देखना है. Harvest, if didn't harvest, harvest करना है ना. If it didn't harvest, it will be wasted. See, too long मतलब for many days, for many months, if we didn't consider the crop. Who didn't consider? Farmers didn't consider मतलब it will be wasted, है ना. तो we want to harvest it. See, wisdom would fade if not sought at the right time. Sought मैंने बोला था ना, seek का past tense sought है, मतलब meaning found, search. Okay, तो same thing. So wisdom हमको, wisdom we want to learn it, we want to know the wisdom. तो हमने लर्न नहीं किया राइट टाइम में. ओके, हमने लर्न नहीं किया तो इट विल ऑल्सो बी वेस्टेड. फेड यहाँ दिया ना, वेस्टेड, यूजलेस होगा. इट विल बी वेस्टेड. नॉलेज विल ऑल्सो बी वेस्टेड. विस्डम विल ऑल्सो बी वेस्टेड. सो दिस इज द टाइम ऑफ लर्निंग, है ना. योर स्टूडेंट्स, योर चिल्ड्रेन, सो दिस इज द टाइम ऑफ लर्निंग. आपको अब लर्न करना है, इंग्लिश भी लर्न करना है. लेकिन इफ़ यू आर नॉट लर्निंग इंग्लिश आफ्टर 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, इफ़ यू लर्न मतलब एन यूसेज नहीं. तो दिस इज द टाइम टू लर्न इंग्लिश बिकॉज यू आर स्टडिंग. एज अ चिल्ड्रन यू वांट टू नो, एज अ स्टूडेंट यू वांट टू नो इंग्लिश. तो नाउ यू वांट टू लर्न इंग्लिश. तो आफ्टर नाउ विदाउट लर्निंग इंग्लिश, आफ्टर 20 years you learn, after 30 years you learn, it will be difficult. Yes, no? And it will be waste of knowledge, waste of time. Yes, so that is only said here in this question. Okay, it is only 3 lines or 3.5 lines. It is easy if you understand, right? Yeah, so this is the last question, second one. Let us see what is said in this. What was the king's reaction when he read what was written on the piece of paper? यहाँ ये pronunciation read नहीं आएगा, read. See, what was the king's reaction when he read what was written on the piece of paper? So when he read, no, what was his reaction? King's का king's यहाँ apostrophe s is given, no, that is possession. Okay, king's का reaction क्या था? Let us see. When the king opened the slip of paper, that small paper, no, when he opened that and read, while writing read it, he became furious. Furious मतलब anger. His face turned red with anger and he looked sharply at Hoja. The king thought that Hoja was trying to make a fool of him. He then threatened to put him in prison if he did not explain himself. Oh my God. Yeah, see? Very simple. When the king opened the slip of paper and read it, see, When the king opened the slip, he saw the slip, he got the slip and he opened and he read it. He became furious. Red. मैंने बोला था ना in answer it pronunciation what? Red. When he read it, he became furious. Furious मतलब मैंने अभी बोला था ना angry. Okay, he became anger. He became anger. Gussa. Yes, no? Yeah. So why? See, his face, how? कैसा? यहाँ मैंने बोला था ना फ्यूरियस गुस्सा एंगर तो हाउ सी हिज फेस टर्न्ड रेड विथ एंग्री फेस है ना उनका फेस रेड हो गया ओके विथ एंगर एंड ही लुक्ड शार्पली एट होजा शार्पली मतलब स्टैरिंग ओके स्टैर्ड so he stared at Hoja. The king thought that Hoja was trying to make a fool of him. Okay, so he thought whether you are trying to make me a fool. मैंने क्या पूछा? Wisdom. What is the true wisdom? Whether you search true wisdom. मैंने true wisdom के बारे में पूछा लेकिन तूने क्या दिया? Carrots. You have written in a paper carrots and you gave that paper. So do you think I am fool? Like that he is thinking. Okay, you are making me fool. Yes, see. He then threatened to put him in prison. See, threatened matlab make him fear. Okay, make him fear that the king will put Hoja in prison, in jail. If he did not explain himself, so I will put you in jail. You explain this. What is carrots? Why you have written carrots? And what paper is this? मैंने क्या पूछा? विस्टम के बारे में पूछा लेकिन तूने ये carrots दिया है. In paper you have written carrots. So why explain this? See. You didn't explain himself. So he didn't explain himself. If he didn't explain मतलब I will put in jail. तो तुझे explain करना होगा कि क्यों तूने carrots ऐसा लिखा है. Like that the king said. Okay. Easy no? See, very simple and easy. When the king opened the slip of paper and read it, he became furious, angry. His face turned red with anger and looked sharply at Hoja. The king thought that Hoja was trying to make a fool of him. Okay, fool. Fool of him. He then threatened to put him in prison if he did not explain himself. तुझे explain करना है, तू explain नहीं करेंगी तो I'll put in jail. Okay, easy, simple. So write neatly, handwriting should be neat. Okay, yes. So bye bye, thank you. Be safe at home and healthy at home. Okay, so write neatly. Thank you, ma.